Creating a vendor bill in NetSuite is essential for tracking expenses and managing accounts payable. Here's a concise guide to help you through the process. Log into NetSuite. Open your web browser, navigate to the NetSuite login page, and enter your login credentials. Navigate to Vendor Bills. From the main dashboard, go to Transactions, Payables, Enter Bills. Enter vendor information. Vendor. Select the vendor from whom you've received the bill. This will autofill the vendor's details. Date. Enter the date of the bill. Due date. Enter the due date for payment. Bill number. Enter the bill number as provided by the vendor. Enter bill details. Account. Select the appropriate expense account for the bill. Amount. Enter the total amount of the bill. Memo. Optionally, add a memo for additional context. Add line items. Items. If the bill includes specific items, enter each item, its quantity, rate, and amount. Expenses. For service or non-itemized bills, enter each expense account and amount. Additional details. Department, class, location. Fill in these fields if your organization uses them for categorization. Terms. Select the payment terms agreed with the vendor. Attachments. Optionally, attach a digital copy of the bill for reference. Review and save. Review all details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Save to create the vendor bill. Approval and payment. Depending on your organization's workflow, the bill might need approval. Navigate to Transactions, Payables, Approve Bills to approve it if necessary.